The summer lifespan of a worker bee. "42 days. Biology and nature. During summer, a female worker honeybee lives for only about 42 days. Her entire existence is a predetermined schedule. The first 3 weeks, days 1 through 21, are spent entirely inside the hive, cleaning cells, nursing larvae, producing wax, and guarding the entrance. The final 3 weeks, days 22 through 42, are spent foraging outside, flying up to 5 kilometers from the hive, visiting up to 1,500 flowers a day. Worker bees literally work themselves to death. Their wings fray and fail, and they die mid-flight or are left behind by the hive.